What is the smallest unit of matter? Which subatomic particle has a negative charge? Water is Which gas do humans exhale? The chemical symbol for sodium is Which state of matter has a fixed shape? H2O is the formula of Which of the following is not a metal? What is the pH of pure water? Which particle is found in the nucleus of an atom? Which gas is necessary for burning? Table salt is chemically known as Which state of matter can be compressed easily? What is the chemical symbol for gold? Which process changes water into vapor? Rusting of iron is a Which of these is an alkali metal? The number of protons in an atom is called Which acid is found in lemon juice? CO2 is the formula for Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Which of these is a noble gas? Which of the following is a mixture? Which of the following is a base? The periodic table was first created by Thank you. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and don't forget to subscribe for more quizzes. See you in the next video.